Good evening, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. Tuesday deals. Happy July 4th. I know it's a holiday, and thank you all for going to join me this evening. We're going to jump right on into it, make this quick, get right to the deals. That's what you're here for. It is a holiday. It's a beautiful day out. Depends where you're at. So I'm going to let you enjoy that. Maybe some fireworks overnight, but let's look at some deals, some investments, some opportunities. We're bringing value. That's what we do. So stay towards the end. We're not going to make a full 30 minutes, but there's a couple announcements that I want to discuss. One is special, one is special. Make sure you stay tuned for. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera over like I do, and let me share. So, different device. What happens? Bear with me, guys. That's right. There we go. New deals were uploaded earlier this week. I mean, it's only Tuesday. Early this week, I keep thinking it's Wednesday. Well, we rotated the schedule this week. We will be going out to look at properties Thursday, so keep that in mind, meaning that if we go look at properties, there's going to be more deals that are going to be uploaded that Thursday night. Come Friday morning, every day, you should be looking at the spreadsheet. If you don't have the spreadsheet, send us an email. We'll share it with you. All right. So we're not going to look at all the deals, but we have uploaded the first page, top right corner. Macon, Georgia 1 is there. Milner, Georgia 30. And these are lot numbers. By the way, we put the city, the state, and then we put the lot numbers. More details on the homes. I know I've seen some emails saying, will you please start putting the year, make, models? No. If you need specific details, we're going to give them to you, and we do that for a reason. There's also a reason why we don't put the exact addresses on every tab. Okay, so I'm not going to get into all that. Kind of sound like a broken record, but let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So the first one I wanted to cover is, and guys, there is deals that have not been uploaded. So one of the things that we are working on right now is investments, meaning mobile homes. Now these have tenants already. They have on time paying tenants. What does that mean when you buy a mobile home that already has tenants? Some people love them. Some people say, well, I want to learn the rehab or I enjoy the rehab. That's plenty fine. There's an investor for everything. But when you have a mobile home that already has a tenant and pays on time, you can avoid the purchase of the mobile home. You can avoid the rehab, the material, the contractor, okay, the holding, the utilities, all that goes with it. I don't say that to scare you. You should diversify anyway. I want to have certain investments that do rentals, lease options, all these, because again, you're constantly creating streams of income. That's what you're trying to do. So that being said, we have 8 available. They're all in the Griffin area, Griffin and Orchard Hill, which Orchard Hill is minutes away from Griffin. That's actually where we have our weekly stay camper. So Opportunities is a beautiful community, small city, very safe, very quiet, and people love it. Everybody that's came through does not leave, or one of those kind of things. So we will upload those. I would say those will range anywhere from 10 to maybe 13, 14 per unit. But again, you're not buying something that needs any rehab. And of course, if you're interested in those, we can set up appointments where you obviously can go out and meet with the residents, the tenants. You can walk the properties, see what they're about, and then decipher this if yay or nay, per se. All right. So that's what we got on those. Lot 47. Okay. This is one that we actually rehabbed a little while back. And because of, without giving too many details, the tenants that were troublesome to the community. That's just part of it. Okay. They actually paid us on time. They didn't cause any issues to the home. There were no hassle issue to us, but to the community. Apparently, they got a little rowdy, a little wild. They're trying to really make the community more of a family oriented. So 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, you know where I'm going with that. That being said, they asked for them to be evicted. Unfortunately, they were on a month-to-month rental into early next year where we were going to convert into a lease option. They didn't do that. So we got the home back. We are offering the same option now to somebody out there on the market to do a lease option or rental month to month. But if there's an investor that is interested, I know they're asking us 18,000. That is ARV. We use this as numbers. If an investor were to come in and offer 10, 11K cash offer, it would be your home. No rehab needed. Okay. You just need a tenant. So I just kind of give you a little glance of it. And this is kind of the rehabs that we do. Black cabinets, the grayish vinyl flooring. We use the same rehab material for each home. We just keep on going, take what's left over, go to the next one and the next one. Okay. So I'm going to zoom a little bit on here. I know y'all can't see this, guys. I don't expect you to. But again, Send us an email. We'll send you the sheet and you can take your time reviewing all the above. This is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath, single wide, size wise, 14 by 60. I would estimate on this. I'm pretty sure I'm right. So lot 47 in Griffin. This community has gone from not so nice of a community we used to be known as to now the new park operators, the owners which we partner up with. They have done a beautiful, I mean, landscape and trees being taken out. It used to be gravel, dirt, red clay. It is all paved. I mean, beautiful, just absolute a complete turnaround. Okay, so let me keep going. 18K, like I said, the lot rent is, it breaks it down. Lot rent is 375 plus 15 trash. Just say it's 390. It includes trash. If you're listing a home, that's how you should do it. Stop putting all those little numbers and $5 for this and $2 for that. Keep them the total sum. This is what you're going to pay for lot. All right. Um, Griffin 12. Here's another one. Now, these are more ready to, again, to go onto the market. Y'all as investors, okay, we give you the opportunity also because you have no rehab. Can you take an investment that's already done all the work, it's got all the material, everything. It's ready to be in, and just to take it and run with it. Airbnb, hint, hint, right? Because this is a beautiful market for it. This is also in Griffin, but it's in another community that's even more desirable. It's very quiet and it's a smaller community. 30 mobile homes total, I want to say 25, 30, give or take. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, but it is massive. It is a 16 by 80. If you know that, that's the biggest single wise that they make. 2 by 2s, you could easily make a third bedroom, but hey, that's up to you. Lot rent again, 390. And look at this. This is a perfect example of something that when I think about an investment, now how they're a no-brainer. Okay. How good of a rehab you are doing, conducting on your homes. No deal is the same. No investment is the same. No investor is the same. But when I look at this deal here and it says 25K or best offer, again, that's ARV to what we're putting on the market. Now, the value is a lot higher, but we got to think about comparables. This home has a brand new roof, metal roof. It has brand new skirting. It has brand new decks. It has brand new flooring. And I'm not just talking about the beautiful vinyl inside, which we'll check it out, but I'm talking about a hardwood flooring all throughout. It has been completely 100% rewired. That's a $3,000 to $5,000 alone. It has all new vinyl on the outside. It's actually an early 90 models, but it looks like a 2023 because of the vinyl, because of the skirting, because of the roof. Again, what does this home need? An end buyer, a tenant, an Airbnb guest, whichever strategy you choose. Okay. Let me zoom on it. We are offering for investors. If you're interested in this, you can come in with a 5,000 down payment. We will finance to you, which means basically you will be only 5,000 out of pocket, and you will let the investment pay for itself. Okay. If we do monthly, I would say it's probably going to be around 800 to 900 a month, which does include trash. It includes lot rent. Okay. You can easily, out of an Airbnb, be closer to 2K a month. You can make your profits, still pocket some, let it pay itself. Okay. Cannot stress it enough. Look at this. Brand new vinyl, brand new decks, brand new roof. I am seriously debating keeping this as a weekly extended stay, which means I won't have to furnish it. I'm plenty fine with it, putting furniture in it, TVs, couches, beds, washer, dryer, dish. I'm kidding. Netflix. Here's a longer section. Oh, brand new doors, brand new door frames, and I'm talking about exterior. Okay, a door frame with the whole section, the whole frame around it. You're talking about 300 to 500 a piece. That's $1,000. I mean, this is a brand new home. Look at the vinyl. I'm not against that vinyl. This vinyl is actually more expensive than the vinyl we use. I don't think it has the better look, but it definitely looks nice for sure. That's just a liking preference. Why do I like the other one better? Probably because it's cheaper and it looks good. I mean, look at this. It checks out. The cabinet is new, by the way. That is an upgrade. They brought in a whole new cabinets for the kitchen. It's longer. There's more cabinets there, more space. I don't know how much time you have to spend in the kitchen, but end buyers love to cook, it seems like. So that's another one. Asking 25, don't think about the end number. Think about what all you will be out of pocket starting out if you're interested. 5K. Go to the next one. Same community. Another one similar. Now, this one does need a little bit of work still, but the majority, the major of what can be, is already done. Lot number 8. It is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. By the way, on the other one, exit strategy wise, ARB, I said 25K. It could easily go to 30,000 with all that it has in it. I would say the rental, the ARVs for something like that, not ARVs, but rental rates is $8 to $1,000, and that's what we're seeing in the market. So just keep that in mind. If you do a lease option with somebody, you could very well be well over 1,000, maybe close to 1,200. This is a great market in this area, and again, the home speaks for itself on this one. Here, number 8, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, single wide, lot rent 390. We're asking only 10,000. It needs minimal. What do I need by minimal? Well, let's break down what it has. Now, again, okay, we can finance that 10,000 with a $3,500 down payment. That's nothing. Somebody gets that. Put another 1,000 into it to get it painted. Okay, it does need paint. I will do the ceilings. I will do the walls, and you are good. That's all that it needs because it has a brand new roof, brand new skirting, brand new decks, brand new flooring. Again, not just the vinyl, but also the flooring. All new electrical, all new vinyl. This one does not have vinyl siding. GMHU. I'm going to take this off of it. This is actually a metal on metal. Remove that line from it. There we go. And this is what it looks like. Exterior, interior. You can see the vinyl's been done nice and neat. The ceiling's actually been fixed, but some of these trims, but you need to paint these walls. It's just dark in there. It's that dark wood paneling. It is particle board walls, nothing against that, but keep in mind it does make it dark. Here's one of the bedrooms. Okay. I didn't take a good enough picture here. As a brand new panel right around this corner in that closet. All right. We posted the deal through a email campaign. I'm sure some of you got it. Some of you are asking questions, details. That is fine. I'm happy to share all the details with you. Let me break it down real quick. I got a bonus for y'all tonight. It is only good until Saturday. I'm going to talk about it in a minute, and that's because of July 4th. It's a holiday. I respect this holiday, and I want to give back. So let's talk about this one right here real quick. It's about 1/4 of an acre. That's the land size. Okay. It is located in central Georgia. To be more specific, Byron, Georgia, and it's next to Centerville, Warner Robins, above Tifton, hot markets. All those are hot areas. Just stay out of Macon. It has a mobile home on it, which is how we initially got the deal. The investment is we invested in the mobile home. We did a lease option on a resident who was buying it and also doing some cosmetics, some rehab on it. Now, here is where it gets interesting. She pays a total sum of lot rent plus home payment. We'll leave that out. What you are concerned with, if you want to invest in this piece of land, is how much is this resident that has her mobile home on this piece of land rent? 350. 350 lot rent. All right, 350 lot rent monthly. It is about 100, right about 100 undervalued, which means that if you invest in it, and we'll go up on it. Within, I would say by the end of the year, first of the year, we will be around 425, 450 monthly, plus again the home payment. The home will be for her. Okay, keep that in mind. You will only be collecting this like a mobile home park. You have rules, you have regulations, you can put stipulations on it. And again, set maybe 12-month agreements to pay whatever it is that there is. There's fees after the 5th. Long story short, okay, it is currently collecting 350 passive income. 19,500 is what we're asking for the property, and we are doing all financing. 7,000 down, 700 a month. I said it didn't matter what she was paying, but she's actually paying 750. So, okay, gives you an idea of what those numbers look like. Great opportunity. They're not making land anymore, so you might want to think on that one. Last one I'm going to go over, another one. This community here, if I could invest, if I can get everybody to sell me their mobile home in this community, and I mean Milner, Orchard Hill, and Griffin, hot, hot, hot. I can't say it enough. It's funny I say hot because I was actually out there yesterday morning. Well, all these days are rolling through. So it seems like they're blending. And it was probably 100 degrees, brand new pavement. It was blazing hot, but it's even hotter as the market numbers. So let's talk about this one. This one has a lake at the community. The other one that we just had here is the one we've been talking about. If you share our social media, we talked about lot number 19, which we were all into for 7,500. That was including the home, the rehab, the material, etc. We sold it for 18.5 cash. We got our money back and we got 11,000 profits. This one here will sell for more, okay? And it's at an even better angle facing the backyard towards the lake. People love that. Yes, you can fish out of there, by the way. It has new doors and frames. It has new tubs. It has new windows and frames, okay? It has new countertops, new roof, new skirting. Should I say more? Okay. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. It is a big mobile home. It can be converted into a 3-2. ARB, it's not on here. GMHU, I'm going to go ahead and put 23K. What I do? Number locks it ain't on this thing. Bear with me, guys. 23. I want to put that on here now before I forget. 23K. Rent the rate 725. Rent the rate 725. I would say when you let's see, very good. If you do a lease option, you will be around 775 to 800 a month, minus lot rent, which is right around 400. And you know, asking price for this one's 9,000 or best offer. Let's look at some of these pictures. I like this one. I like the setup. I like the big yard. People like that privacy. And even though you're talking about a community, there's a mobile home beside it, one in front of it. Well, mobile homes here are so separated. They have such a large yard. I mean, it's just spacious and it's flat. And again, the backyard happens to be a lake. So that's the backyard. All right. I don't consider things pretty, but I would say that's a pretty backyard. Here's the inside. Some of the vinyl, all hardwood flooring has been done. Here's the countertop. You can see to the right. It's a little hard on here, but where's my mouse? Here it is. Countertops brand new on that. Brand new tubs have been installed. Brand new walls also. Brand new sink, vanity, new toilet. One of the bedrooms, definitely paint the ceilings. You need to do that. Paint the walls. I don't do blue, green, pink. I will never understand why people paint colors like that. It is so hard to paint, man. I'm not saying hard is impossible, but it's not going to be a one-layer paint. They installed, one of the first few I've seen, they installed, you know, those Motel 8s and I don't know, these motels they have those 25,000 BTU units is set near the floor by the door. You know, those things work now. Those things will freeze the rooms. Well, they installed one of these. They properly did it. I was taking it out from the outside. And for the first time, I seen a window unit installed correctly. It's not a window unit because it's not in a window, but you get my point. But it has that also. So you got a central that will cool the whole entire living area. Pink bathroom, that's the other one. Brand new vanity also. New electric. Look at that. That's what you want to see. All the breakers are there. All the panel is set. No issues. Nobody's pulling no copper. But I got time for that. Here's that same bathroom. Okay. New toilet, new shower walls. Okay. You're talking about 300 to 600 right there alone. About $100 from toilet. Add these numbers up. Some of you investors, you look at this and you're saying, oh, there's so much work to be done. It still needs this and it still needs that. You're not putting the value on all that's already there. Here's 100, here's 500, here's 1,000. I just said all electrical has been done. That's at least 3,000. It has a brand new roof. That's at least 3,000. Has new decks. That's at least 1,000. Has new skirting. That's another 1,000. You see all these numbers. That doesn't accumulate for the house itself. You get all this where you can come in, paint it, touch it up, finish it, and you are good to go. Off to the races. Okay. All right. Stop the sharing. I think that's all I was going to cover tonight. Camera over. Turn it to me. Thank you. Yeah, I think that's all the deals. Look, send me an email. If you don't have our spreadsheet, I will share the sheet with you. And again, you can check it out. Take your time. Don't take too much of your time because the deals will go. So every holiday, okay, every so often we do special deals, hot deals. We used to have a hot deal every week. We may start getting into some of those as well. And the hot deals are nothing more than something special. You could get a deal for a discount, maybe finance at a lower number, lower payments, you know, just some way that we could really sweeten it up and make it easier for investors to start investing. For July 4th, I was talking to investors and we thought about what about holding? Holding cost seems to be one of those aggravating. 300 a month, 500 a month, you know, it's not crucial, but it's just that aggravation of I'm trying to get my mobile home rehab. I'm trying to get these contractors to work. Well, you know what I'm talking about. And here comes the lot rent again. I got to pay another 500 lot rent. Well, that's fine. Let's keep going. And you're putting money out. Every penny out, you got to get back in before you can collect your ROI, return on your investments. The more out of pocket, the less the profits are going to be. So you want to be in a hurry, in a profit good hurry. So I thought, why don't we do this? Now I'm only going to pick the Bon Air. I didn't go through those deals tonight, but I did last Saturday. You can go check out last week's call, or you can go on our spreadsheet and just click on the tabs and check out Bon Air, Georgia, another hot area. I'm surprised those deals, most of those deals are still there. Y'all saw Gaston, South Carolina, gone. I knew it. There's two left, and I mean they sold overnight. Um, Bon Air, mobile home parks, mobile home park. Here's what I'm going to do. Whoever invest in a mobile home or mobile homes, multiple, okay, because you have the option and there's financing available. Any investor, by the way, if you need to pay for the down payment or start the investment with a credit card, we can create you a link. You can pay with the debit card, with the PayPal, with the credit card. We got all these options for you. Make it as easy as possible for you to get a deal. 2 months, no lot rents. Okay, 2 months. That's 60 days. You do not have to worry about my lot rent is coming due. Okay, take that stress, that pressure off of you, and focus on I need to get a rehab, I need to make it livable, and I need to put it on the market. Tell me who else is doing this out there in the market. Okay, we are to this day, GarciaMHU.com. We are the only real estate educational platform that offers real deals to our investors, and we're offering value, more value, always giving back somehow or another. And I love it. Don't say that to brag. I love it. 2 months no lot rent. If you need financing for one of those homes, we can go as low as whatever that percentage may be, which is typically 30 of total asking. We'll create easy monthly payment plans. Okay. You get a rehab, you put it on the market, let it pay for itself, pay us off, get your title, keep on rolling with it, and keep on profiting. Get to the next deal and the next deal. Guys, we are halfway through the year. Okay. 2023, half of the year's gone, and some of you ain't done a thing. You're still sitting there. I got to think about it. I got to ask this. I got to that. Look, I'm not forcing you or pushing you. All I'm saying is, taking action starts by taking action. Start today. Send us an email. Okay. Love to connect with you. If you need help, you need coaching on how to get started, how to get the rehabs going, how to hire a contractor. Okay. We got all those coachings also. Next event we got is this Saturday. I want to say it's full. RSVP, we did through Meetup, a couple other web pages, and I think we had a cap at 25 people. I want to say we have 30. I could be wrong. Check it out. Send us an email also if you want to join that. And we definitely love to see you there. It's going to be in Ball Ground, Georgia. Free events. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. Okay. We made it free because last time we tried to do this event, the city, the investor that's going to be out there with me, it's his property, Mr. Robert Bogino. He was dealing with permits, inspections. The city was giving him issues. It's a piece of property with a double wide that he is investing in. That is next level investing. You can invest in so many more homes and communities, but at some point, you got to be thinking, I want to own real estate also. Now, even better than that, I want to convert personal property, which is what mobile homes are, to real property. You're talking overnight value. You're talking when you do something like that, now your end buyers can get traditional lending, FHAs, credit unions, banks, you name it. You got all this money into it and you can actually get paid in full by a bank. Yes, but you got to be able to do these things. That's what we're going to be talking about Saturday. If I can be there 2 hours away, and I'm going to drive there just to give back, just to add value, oh, you can be there. All right. That's going to do it for tonight. I'm going to leave the next announcement for Sunday evening coming up. Bittersweet. Bittersweet. You hear about it Sunday. All right. Thank you, Instagram. Happy July 4th. Have a good night, everyone.